Having owned quite a few premium cars, like my BMW 335 and my Lexus IS 250, you kind of get used to having a few premium features with those cars. And one of those features, as basic as it may sound, is hood struts. And that's why in this episode, we're gonna be installing some hood struts. All right, so first thing, comes with all the supporting hardware to install it, some brackets, a few bolts, the actual hood struts. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. They're coated with a kind of carbon fiber looking exterior. And that looks pretty nice, honestly. And then the strut itself is black. And then you have this, I think that's to go like inside a hole in the hood to be able to screw like from a distance to screw in one of the bolts from the other side. And then it comes with a bit of instruction, no step-by-step, but you can definitely see it is a Mazda 3 that's in the picture. It seems like a pretty basic mod to install on the car. So I think it's gonna bring a little bit of extra touch to the engine bay. So let's get right into it and install it in the car.
It's been the worst of years. I don't even know where to begin. 2 fights I've lost, every single shot I've taken a loss. But each time I fall, you're on the ground next to me. And every time I'm low, you lift me back up again. From midnight pavements to playing favorites, from the lowest point to heavenly, you'll always be my remedy. It's been the worst of years, the hardest that it's ever been. I've scraped for everything, now I'm trying to find my feet again. Oh, but each time I fall, I'm reaching out for your hand. And every time I'm low, you're the lift I've been waiting on. From midnight pavements to playing favorites, from the lowest point to heavenly, you'll always be my remedy.
All right, so I just finished installing the hood struts, and honestly, guys, I am really happy with the result. I wasn't expecting that drastic of a change in the engine bay, but I think it freshens up the engine bay so much. I'm so happy with the extra clearance. It added about 10 centimeters or so. See, just the look of the carbon fiber looking hood struts, I think it looks very nice. I didn't realize how much the hood bar would cramp the area in the engine bay so much by having it right in the middle, because you get so used to working with it there. But having that out of the way, I feel like it makes so much room around the area. So I'm really happy about that. So I'd like to give a big thanks to Tsubasa, the company that made the hood struts. They did supply the hood struts for me for free, so I could give an install and a review video. So I'd like to give them a big shout out for supplying the hood struts. If you'd like to purchase some or inquire about the hood struts for your own Mazda 3, I'll leave a link in the description below. Or if you have any questions, just let me know below in the comments. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.